Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the MAC Beauty Advent Calendar. The price for this one is £125 or 170 euros. We have this beautiful frosted design with the fireworks, and also it comes with this beautiful box here. Yeah, it's very shiny. Last year's MAC Advent Calendar was not my favorite because we had a lot of samples, and this year I'm hoping that we have something improved. Cross your fingers. This one came today and I can't wait to start unboxing. So I will try to open it very carefully because the boxes are moving. And this is how it looks open. It is super gorgeous. Box number 1 is here. It looks like a pizza slice. Yummy! This one feels a little bit heavier. Maybe we have a primer. Ooh, it opens like this. Super nice. And we have here the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is in the shade Feel So Grand. Ooh, it has a very nice doe foot applicator. It reminds me of the liquid lipsticks by Loreal. And let's see the color. I'm going to swatch a little bit on my hand. Ooh, that's gorgeous. You can definitely use it for Christmas. I like that we have a full size. I'm also gonna do a makeup look using all of the products. So don't forget to subscribe to get notified. And let's continue with the box number 2 here. This is very lightweight. Maybe we have a sample. Oh, it's very small. So, okay, this is definitely an eyeshadow. Now that I have seen the shape of it, cheating! This one here is the Dazzle Shadow in the shade Last Dance. This one is like the color of the Advent Calendar. Nice. And we have a full size. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let's see the finish of it. It has a lot of fine micro glitter, I think. Shiny. Okay, it's a little bit powdery. I have never tried this formula. I'm guessing that you're gonna need a glitter primer for this one, or a sticky base, anything that you like using. And day number 3 here. This is even a lighter. I have no clue what we have. We have here the lip gloss, and this is a clear lip gloss. I have used it again. In the last year's Advent Calendar we had the full size of this one. I have used it again. It gives a nice glossy finish. This year we have it in a mini size, so it's okay. And this one here is fully packed. I don't know, I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. No. This one here is a mascara. I have no idea which mascara. Oh, and this one is the 3D black mascara. So I have tried this again because we had it in the last year's Advent Calendar. We had the sample. It was very, very small. And I have also used it today. It gives a very nice definition. Yeah, the applicator is exactly the same, I think. But this one contains more product. It's not like the sample. For this mascara, I like that it has also some bristles on the tip, and you can use it on the outer edge of your lashes. This is box number 5, and then now we're gonna open door number 4. Professional unboxer here. So this one is the MAC Prep and Prime. We also had it in last year's Advent Calendar, and this is a full size. I have used it again, and this is like a lip balm and also a sticky base for your lipsticks. So you can actually prep and prime. This is also a full size. I'm so happy about that. And all of the boxes are aligned in order, so you can find them easier if you're not me. Following that, we have box number 6, and this is definitely an eyeshadow, and it looks again a full size. Am I right? I thought it was a concealer because they have a creamy concealer. This one is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Omega. Okay, I like that we have something different from the previous shade because last year we had 3 shades very similar. This is a very light eyeshadow. I have tried to make it more noticeable on my hand, but it's not easy. So you can use this for a crease color if you have a very light skin tone, or you can blend out other eyeshadows with this one. Box number 7 is on the top row, and let's see what we have here. This is heavy. This one is the Powder Kiss lipstick, and we have it in the shade Devoted to Chili. So I'm guessing that we have a red lipstick. Let's see. Yes, they are spoiling us. This is also a full size. In the beginning it is a little bit shiny, and after that it becomes matte. And box number 8. I think we have a sample. And this one here is a strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. And this is a sample. We had this in last year's advent calendar as well. It was also a sample. With this one you can give a light pink glow to your skin. I'm gonna bring mine so I can swatch it for you. I'm back. This one is mine and this is from this year's advent calendar. So it's going for a giveaway. You can also use it without foundation. Moving on to box number 9 here. I'm gonna say a lipstick. Ooh, it's not. We have here the matte eyeshadow in the shade I'm Into It. I'm super excited that we don't have the same shades. That's a lot darker than the previous eyeshadow. You can do a dark smoky eye look with this one. Box number 10. Oh my god, it's liquid. I'm gonna say the Fix Plus. Okay. Found it, and this one here is the Fix Plus. We have 13 milliliters. It is a mini size. I have used this one again. So this one here doesn't make my foundation long lasting, but it gives a very nice natural finish. This one is mine. It is 30 milliliters, and this is what we have in this advent calendar. So you can see the difference in the size. Last year we had an even smaller one, so this is an improvement. I'm gonna keep this for a giveaway, and let's continue with the box number 11. So this is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a highlighter. Yes, Gesundheit. Maybe? What is this? Oh, this is a lip gloss, and this one here is a lip gloss in the shade Very Go Lightly. So I have tried their lip glosses again. Oh my god, what happened? I've made it. This is a very nice shade to use it on top of other lipsticks, or you can also use it by itself. I have another shade of this lip gloss and it gives a very nice glossy finish. I think it has a very light vanilla scent. Let's continue with box number 12 here. So I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Nailed it! This one here is the Frost eyeshadow in the shade Naked Lunch. Okay, I'm very curious to see the color. This one has a satin finish. Actually, it has a shiny finish. It's not so satin. So this is more shiny than what I was expecting. Not bad. If you also like this color, you can use it as a highlighter. Why not? Now we're going on the other half of the circle. Box number 13 is this pizza slice here. I'm gonna say a mascara. This one here is the Amplified Cream Lipstick in the shade Du Bonnet. And let's see the finish. I have never heard of this formula before. This one has a shiny finish. It is a little bit darker and perfect for winter eye looks or fall makeup looks, whatever you want. So, and we have here, oops, box number 14. This is looking like a lip product. And we have here the lip gloss in the shade Candy Box. This is a color that I can use every day. I like it a lot. 15 here. And I'm gonna say loose pigment. I think I'm wrong. We have here the Satiny Lipstick in the shade Twig. And I think we got exactly the same lipstick last year. So just a sec. Here it is. This is mine. This is for a giveaway. This is the beautiful color that we have. If you have never tried MAC lipsticks, they are super creamy. I'm planning on doing a very nice giveaway, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And let's continue with box number 16 here. So I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Ta-da! This is the satin eyeshadow in the shade Girly. I like that we have so many different eyeshadows this year. It looks a little bit duochrome. So I'm very curious to use this on my eyes. I don't have satin eyeshadows by MAC. Day 17 here. This one is the brow set in clear, and I have used this again. We had it in last year's advent calendar. This is a clear brow mascara. It sets on the brow so you feel it a little bit. I actually have this in a bin with a lot of favorite products to show you in a video. Let's see what we have in box number 18. Ooh. Most likely a lipstick. This one is the matte lipstick in the shade Russian Red. This one is a mini lipstick. Let's swatch this to see the color. Ooh, that's a gorgeous red lipstick. It is very similar to what I have today. It is the matte lipstick by Huda Beauty in promotion day. This is also a very nice color to use all year, not just for the holidays. And this is box number 19. It doesn't move. I'm gonna say a sample because it is small. This one is a lip gloss in the shade Spice. Yeah, that's all. I was gonna say Spice, not for sale. Oh, so tight. This one is a very pretty shade. I like it. It is definitely a fall lip color, but you can use it in the summer as well. We're not the lip police. This is a color that is gonna look amazing on everyone, and it is so glossy. Where is 20? 20 is here, and it is lightweight as well. I'm gonna say a lip gloss. Spill it out. Found it, and this one is the lip gloss in the shade All Things Magical. Are we mad that we have a lot of lip products? Let me know in the comments. And this one reminds me a lot of the previous lip glosses of this advent calendar. I would like to see something corally maybe. Up next, door number 21 is a lipstick. Oh my god, this reminds me of the NYX advent calendar. This is the amplified creamy lipstick in the shade Girl About Town. And I'm very curious about the shade. Oh yes, I love this color. I wanted something different because we have a lot of pinkish, mauvish and red lipsticks. I really like that we have a pop of color. After that we have something that sounds like a lipstick. This is the Velux Pearl eyeshadow in the shade Rudy. Let's see the color that we got. Ooh, nice. This one here has a shiny finish and it looks gorgeous. You can also use it with the other eyeshadows that we got. Box 23 here. I'm gonna say a blush. This is the Satiny Lipstick in the shade Del Rio. And I'm very curious about the color. This one is gonna look amazing with just eyeliner on the eyes. Let's continue with box 24, which is a little bit bigger. Maybe we have a full-size highlighter. Oh my god. I don't know what to say about this. So this one here is a keychain. It says MAC and we have this beautiful design like the advent calendar. On the other side we also have a mirror. I don't find practical one-side mirrors, especially to have them in your purse. I would prefer if this was not a mirror. Also, if we didn't have a keychain, it would be much better. I'm back. In my opinion, this advent calendar has improved a lot this year because last year we had so many samples. In this one we have a lot of minis and also lip products, and for this reason I'm gonna give it 4 stars. The overall value of it is £307, which is very good. I think this advent calendar is very nice for someone that doesn't have a lot of MAC products. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about this one, and also you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!